they're pretty effing big. Like, wow. What's up, guys? Hope you guys are having a super amazing day today. Guys, I received a package from Toxic Exotic Spice, the bro from Instagram. If you guys are not following him on Instagram, you guys definitely should. Not only does he review stuff, he has his own company, guys. He grows super hots, like super hots, and he sent me some peanuts. I'm not sure what kind he sent me, but I mean, they look freaking delicious when he's posting them. I'm like, se me hace agua la boca, like I want to taste them, right? And he just messaged me out of nowhere if I can like review some peanuts for him. I didn't even question. I'm like, yes. Oh my goodness, yes. Like I want to try them. Like I've been wanting to try them. Like they're barely going on sale. Like I mean, they look really good and they look really well seasoned. So guys, I cannot wait any longer. And let's go ahead and get into this package. Oh my goodness. Vamos a abrirla. Vamos a ver quién me mandó. Let's see what he sent to me. Ooh, more bubble wrap, guys. Guys, I love bubble wrap. I can just be like watching TV and just be popping this bubble wrap all day long. Ooh, 2 different kinds, guys. Look at this. Ooh, garlic chili peanuts. Oh my goodness, I am such a garlic person. Like I love garlic so much. I don't know how people don't like garlic. There's some people that don't like garlic. Like what, the bubbles? Like what? Like it is so delicious and it's so helpful and it's good for you. And oh my goodness, scorpion chili lime peanuts. Okay, we'll try those last. Scorpion ones. Oh my goodness, but they look so good. Look at the peanuts, guys. Can you guys see the peanuts on there? Like they're pretty effing big. Like wow. Honestly, like even around here, I haven't seen peanuts this big. So that's cool. Let's go ahead and open it. Oh, huele so, bien rico. Smells delicious, guys. And let's go ahead and get a handful and let's try them. Okay, so if you guys are not chili heads, this one, guys. The flavor of it. You definitely get the garlic. Well seasoned. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It honestly tastes like these peanuts are so fresh. Like they just harvested them. Usually I taste peanut products and some of them like they taste old, like not these. They're so good. They honestly taste fresh. Now the thing with this one, guys, they're not spicy. They're not spicy. So these are perfect for even like your kids to try. So good. I'm gonna be finishing that like in one sitting al ratito with some UFC fights, guys. Okay, scorpion chili lime. Can you guys tell? Like, they look so good. They're like very well coated. Like se me hace agua la boca, but I know they're gonna be spicy, so let's try a little less, guys. The lime and the sauce seasoning. Excuse me, I'm talking with my mouth full, guys. So good. It does have heat. Oh my goodness. The scorpion is kind of hitting in. Like if it was a ghost, like you get to experience that beautiful taste, and then all of a sudden, like it just starts creeping up, guys. Oh my goodness, these are way hotter. But they are so good. They're like addictingly good. Like honestly, chili heads, guys, bomb beyond bomb. I don't want to stop. My mouth's gonna be on fire. I should go back to the other ones. So good, so good. Super delicious, guys. And again, that nice fresh taste. Everything's well combined. So good. Thanks a million, bro, for sending them to me. You guys are so freaking awesome for watching. Guys, I'll be posting all his information down in the description box down below so that you guys can check him out on Instagram and see what other stuff he's coming up with, guys. Like, I am so fascinated by everything that he's posting. Like, it is so cool. I'm like, oh my goodness, bro, you need to start doing some reviews on YouTube. Oh my goodness. Well, thank you guys for watching. Have a super amazing day. Bye.